The butterfly. Sit upright on a chair with your back supported and your feet flat on the floor. Keep your back flat against the back of the chair with little or no arch. Hold a dumbbell in each hand, slightly above shoulder level, and with your palms facing forward. Forearms parallel to each other in front of your chest. Keep your forearms about 4 or 5 inches apart and your elbows close to your body. Contract your abdominals. Contract the muscles of your upper back while you rotate your shoulders back in a semicircle, bringing your elbows out to the side. Keep both dumbbells above shoulder height throughout the exercise. Pause for a second, then gradually return to the starting position. Control your movements throughout the entire exercise, exhaling while rotating the dumbbells and inhaling on the return. Continue until the entire set of 8 to 10 repetitions is complete. If you are performing multiple sets of this exercise, take a deep breath, wait 15 to 30 seconds, and begin your next set. Be sure to keep your head straight up while looking forward and your back straight throughout the entire exercise. To do the rotation correctly, it's helpful to visualize squeezing something like a piece of paper between your shoulder blades and holding it for a split second. And be sure to select a weight that is appropriate for your skill level.